Hey everyone, the Anbernic RG Slide is a fresh take on Android handheld gaming, blending modern mobile performance with nostalgic design cues borrowed from iconic devices like the Sony Xperia Play and the PSP Go. Released at a global starting price of $189, the RG Slide stands out immediately thanks to its unique sliding mechanism, which reveals a full suite of tactile gaming controls. These include rubber dome buttons and low-interference analog sticks, offering a satisfying physical interface rarely found on modern Android gaming devices. Once the spring-loaded slide is open, players are greeted with a layout that feels deliberately retro, yet is clearly engineered for modern gaming. The RG Slide is powered by Android 13 and supports a wide range of emulators, including those capable of running GameCube and PlayStation 2 titles, making it a highly flexible machine for retro and console-quality gaming on the go. Its versatility is further enhanced by the ability to cast to external displays and stream games, expanding its utility beyond the built-in screen. Speaking of the screen, Anbernic has outfitted the RG Slide with a 4.7-inch LTPS in-cell display, boasting a resolution of 1280 by 960 and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Thanks to OCA full lamination and a brightness rating of up to 500 nits, the screen delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with minimal glare and strong viewing angles. It may be compact, but it's optimized for responsive touch interactions and offers plenty of clarity for both 2D sprite-based classics and modern 3D games. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Unisoc T820 processor. This chipset includes a Mali G57 MP4 GPU and 4 Cortex-A76 cores, which work in tandem with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. With support for microSD cards up to 2 TB, storage won't be a limitation for most users. This configuration is strong enough to run popular emulators like Dolphin, AetherSX2, and PPS-SPP without major slowdowns, offering a solid gaming experience across multiple console generations. For audio and connectivity, the RG Slide doesn't cut corners. It includes stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi AC, and a USB-C port that supports 1080p video output. Powering everything is a 5,000 mAh battery, which charges in about 3 hours with a 10-watt charger and provides roughly 6 hours of gaming time on a full charge, depending on usage and settings. Anbernic has also made sure to enhance the user experience on the software side. The RG Slide offers AI-powered in-game assistance, real-time translation tools, and a floating game helper interface that streamlines multitasking. There's also a built-in haptic motor for added immersion, software-based power-saving modes to extend battery life. Weighing 379 grams and available in either black or white, the RG Slide doesn't try to compete with more powerful gaming handhelds like the Steam Deck or ROG Ally. Instead, it carves out its niche as a compact, emulator-friendly Android device with a nostalgic physical design and a strong focus on user-friendly features. For retro gaming fans and handheld collectors, the Anbernic RG Slide represents a well-balanced and distinctive option in the growing world of Android gaming portables. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this video? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.